I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the apps and notifications, advanced, special app access, and then to the install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of the apps through which you can install unknown apps. So let's pick for example Chrome, and then just allow from this source like this. And now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you can fit on your device. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.